Today I want to look at two of our best sellers, the carpet python and the red-bellied black. I'm sure there are easier ways to make a snake design, but for me the experimenting and the process is the most enjoyable bit. And personally, I like the little imperfections you get when you do it like this. Like the way you can see the overspray with the paint around the stencil. Kind of cool. So for both of these, I first drew the snake with the patterns, then cut out two stencils for each, one for the overall shape and one for the pattern. Then I sprayed the first colour, usually the lighter colour, with the outline stencil, line up the second one and spray on the pattern with the darker colour. This one was a bit trickier as I wanted the snake to wrap the whole way around the back and come back again. So I had to join two images together. But this one, the carpet python, is the more popular one. I think the off-white allows it to go well with more outfits. And people who like animal prints like leopard or cheetah prints seem to love this. One of my favorites for sure.